Are you ready to see a ride that breaks the mold? Today we're unveiling the future of fun on three wheels. The 2021 Vanderhall Venice. Let's dive in on Powamoto.
The Powamoto!
Introducing Powamoto, the series, and as I showcase reviews.
You fake YouTubers, it's on!
And I can't.
Listen to that. We have the Venice 2021 Vanderhall on Powamoto. Subscribe today. Vanderhall with the pipes. Check out the front grille. What do you think? Don't hit the Hyundai. What do you think? Let's go for a ride. Let's learn more about this vehicle. Powamoto. Mr. B, what you doing today? Very nice. What do we have here?
It's a beast of a vehicle, turns heads everywhere you go. It's a rides like a charm, never been for service, never had any issues. Pushing about 230 base horsepower. Quick, yeah, the BNR tune. Been dynoed. Has red stitched leather interior carpeting. Upgraded chrome exhaust.
Exhaust on the side. Let me hear it. Put it in neutral. Wow.
It's a Chevy Cruze turbocharged engine.
Very cool.
On a vehicle at about a quarter of the weight.
Check out the gauges, very aero-esque. And look at that, old-fashioned style, but you went with the leather-wrapped steering wheel.
Yep.
I see they make a wood one, but this one's more race-inspired.
Yeah, the wood deteriorates over time too quickly with the sun.
So this is a nice upgrade.
Yeah.
And then also you've got a very small little box there to put your wallet.
Yeah, you got a little glove box with a 12-volt charger.
Also, the pedals are race-inspired, auto shift. You didn't go with the stick shift model.
No, that's you could upgrade to it if you want. They do a conversion kit.
You like just dropping it and driving go?
Yeah.
Does she feel wheels?
No, it does.
Okay.
Yep. Just for looks.
Okay, well let's take this baby for a spin. Oh, and it's for sale.
Let's bring it.
It's on Powamoto. We're in the Venice. The thing rips. I might just buy it myself. Look at that. Look at that.
Got a very quick 0 to 60 in
Very
about
fast.
4
4.5
seconds.
seconds, 0 to 60. Yep.
It might be less than that because of the tune.
Right, you got it tuned. So he's got the race pedals. He added this beautiful, nice leather diamond stitched, beautiful artistic floor mat that wraps all the way around. Which company was that?
F1 mats.
F1 Mats. Check them out. And then check out the shift gauge. Got the RPM logo. This is basically a 4-cylinder turbo.
Yep.
Comes 196 horse, but he boosted it, so it's over 230 now.
Yep.
Wow. It's got the push button start right over here. And right over here, it's got regular, look, sourced right out of the GM parts bin. He's got the stem, right? Got the Venice logo. Let's go for a ride on Powamoto! Take it to the beach. Get in the car, put it on the highway for 5. Mr. B. What you see is next whip. Subscribe today! So this Vanderhall Venice is considered an autocycle, which means it's kind of like a motorcycle, though it steers like a car.
Yep.
Okay, so what are the rules? Do you have to have a motorcycle license?
In Florida and most states, you could have a car driver's license.
Car driver's license, and you can drive it?
Exactly. In certain states like
Nice.
California and Jersey and New York, you got to have a motorcycle license.
Cali, Jersey, New York, gotta have a driver's license. Florida, you can have a car license and drive a Vanderhall at Fort Lauderdale Airport on Powamoto. Subscribe today.
Or you can catch a plane over us.
Suspension. If you are ready to take your driving experience to a whole new level, do not miss out. This three-wheeler is for sale now. Remember to apply. You just need a 620 credit score, and I can get you a payment around $300 a month. And before we wrap up, a huge thank you to all of you. Thanks for your support. We've surpassed 10,000 subscribers on Powamoto. We're just getting started. We're committed to bringing you the best automotive content, reviews, and deals. So stay tuned, stay engaged, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Thanks for watching, and as always, drive safe, and I'll see you in the next video.
Subscribe to Powamoto.
Right. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Hit that playlist, support this channel, fam, and I see you on the next one. If you like this video, check out one of these two other similar videos, and thanks for subscribing. We out.